If you have drains that don't get used often, for example, a drain in a storage closet or a vacant apartment, you might start to smell some disgusting odors. Keep watching for a solution. Today, let's talk about Shut Your Trap, a chemical designed to combat problems like dry drain. Let's start with the basics. What is Shut Your Trap? Most drains are built with a trap that is designed to be filled with water to prevent sewer gases from venting upward. When the trap dries out, disgusting sewer odors travel back up the pipes into offices, cafeterias, and buildings that we occupy. Drains can dry up in as little as 2 weeks to a month, depending on the temperature, season, and rate of evaporation. Dry drains also allow cockroaches and drain flies easy access to the facility. Shut Your Trap is a long-lasting chemical designed to address this issue. It's slow to evaporate and will sit in the drain's P-trap, blocking the odors from stinking up your facility. It will not dilute in water, but will float on the surface like a blanket to provide long-lasting odor control. Lastly, Shut Your Trap is wintergreen scented and contains an odor eliminator, neutralizing sewer odors and replacing them with wintergreen. Who is Shut Your Trap a good fit for? Shut Your Trap is a good fit for floor drains, sink drains, shower or tub drains, condensate drains, and many commercial buildings like office buildings, schools, apartments, hotels, and more. If you've got drains that don't get used often, it may be wise to think ahead and start utilizing a chemical like Shut Your Trap before sewer odors start creeping up into your facility. Who is Shut Your Trap not a good fit for? Shut Your Trap may not be a good fit for those with only a few regularly used drains in their facility in total. If your drain smells and dry drain is not your problem, Shut Your Trap is most likely not the solution for you either. When and why do I need Shut Your Trap? Shut Your Trap works quickly and effectively to block sewer odors from wafting through the drains, so you can utilize it once you start to see, or more likely smell, a problem. With drain maintenance, it's important to think preventatively and start using strategies sooner so that these odors don't start entering your facility in the first place. You might need Shut Your Trap if you've got a lot of unused drains. This chemical will save the time of maintenance staff and prevent guests or customers at your facility from being grossed out by a potential foul smell. How do I use Shut Your Trap? Depending on the size of the drain, add 4 to 6 ounces of Shut Your Trap to create a layer on top of the fluid in the drain. Depending on drain flow, reapplying Shut Your Trap will be necessary when this layer is no longer visible or when odors begin to return. How much does Shut Your Trap cost? Shut Your Trap costs can vary depending on a multitude of factors, including location, but it will most likely cost you this amount per usage for typical commercial facilities. When considering cost of drain care chemicals, it's always important to weigh the cost against more extreme options if you let the problems get worse. How do I buy Shut Your Trap? Purchasing Shut Your Trap is simple. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. All drains are different, and the easiest way to find out if Shut Your Trap will be the right choice for you will be a facility survey by an experienced representative to ensure that you get the solution that you need. For more information on how to keep your workplace clean, check out our Learning Center, and soon enough, you'll be flushing your cleanliness issues down the drain.